friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. To make chicken palau, following are the ingredients. First, I'm going to take 4 cups of rice. After washing the rice, I'm going to add ghee, cinnamon stick, cardamom into this and some Palau Masala. And I'm gonna cook my palau with this brand of Palau Masala. It's from Punjab and it's from Fiji. Once the rice is cooked, this is what it looks like. Now, to make my chicken, I'm using salt, chili powder, curry leaves. I'm using cardamom, anise, cinnamon. I've got a spatula there. I've got boneless chicken, water, ghee, Palau Masala from Punjab, onion, and this is cilantro, ginger garlic paste. And I've got some dry chilies, dry red chilies. The very first thing is that I'm going to heat the pan. I'm going to fry chicken in oil, onion, and I'm going to add salt to this, chili powder and Palau Masala. You would be noticing that I'm not using curry powder to this or haldi. Now I'm adding cinnamon, curry leaves, cardamom, anise to this. Remember, Palau Masala is very rich. After adding all these ingredients, I'm going to fry the chicken first in ghee. Salt depends on your taste. So does the chili and ginger garlic paste. It can be served nicely with tomato chutney or fresh salad. So now you can see I've added the masala and I'm going to fry it until all the water is drained and chicken is dried. Once the masala has been cooked nicely into chicken and chicken has reduced its gravy, I will then add the water to soften the chicken. I'm adding extra ghee right now. Ghee gives a nice aroma to the chicken. You can see it's nicely fried. Now I'm going to add water to this to have a thick gravy. Because remember, my rice has already got Palau Masala in it, not salt. The next step is, once the chicken is ready, I'm going to add the rice into this and then little extra ghee. The last step is to add the cilantro, and now my palau is ready.